The scientists at the Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur, have developed a technique to use the genes of the Himalayan plants in other crops and plants. The genes have been introduced in the other plants by modern biotechnological tools and genetic engineering techniques. The technique would enable them to save many species of the plants, even in adverse climatic conditions. This project is being run by the economic support from the Indo-German Center for Science and Technology. More in this report.
The Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur, in collaboration with Indo-German Center for Science and Technology, is carrying out research work on a special project of using the genes of the Himalayan plants in other crops and plants. The higher altitudes of the Western Himalayas are cold desert areas. The vegetation in these areas survives in adverse conditions like low temperature, less water and radiation. The reason behind this is the cold-resistant genes of these plants. Recognizing this quality of the genes, scientists at the Palampur-based Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology have developed a technique to the use of genes of over 130 Himalayan plants, including Caragana jubata and Rheum australe, in other crops and plants.
हम लोग वहाँ से लाए जीन्स हाई एल्टीट्यूड से, वहाँ पे कोल्ड डेजर्ट एरियाज़ हैं, वहाँ पे जो प्लांट सर्वाइव करते हैं हमने उसकी मैकेनिज्म ली, अपने इन प्लांट्स में डाली। तो इनका जो सर्वाइवल कैपेसिटी है, अगर नॉर्मली वो 20% सर्वाइव करते हैं ड्राउट के बाद, ये करीब 70 to 80% सर्वाइव कर जाते हैं। जब हमारे पास वो जीन्स आ गए हमारे पास, अब हम उनको क्रॉप प्लांट्स में ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं। तो इसके लिए अभी एक हम लोग का इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल एक प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें इंडिया और जर्मनी दोनों हम लोग साथ-साथ काम कर रहे हैं।
This ambitious project has been appreciated at the international level too. Indo-German Center for Science and Technology is providing monetary support for this project. This technique would enable the growth of the plants in adverse situations like drought and salinity.